The next point is number patterns. Number patterns is also there. Let us look at some number patterns. Number pattern is given. So number is 1010, 1020, 1030, 1040. In this pattern, if 10 is added to first number, that is 1010, if we add 10 to it, we got the answer here 1020. In this 1020, we again add 10, we got the answer 130. Again, if we add 10 to 1030, we got the answer 1040. Means what? We have in this pattern, we increase the number by 10. In this pattern, we increase the number by 10. So we got the patterns. We can increase it over next number 1050, 1060 in this way. In the next year, next example, 4550, next 4545, 4540, 4535. In this given pattern, the first number 4550, if we add -5, if we add -5 from this first number, we got the answer 4545. 50 minus 5 is 45, so 4545. Again, if we minus 5 to this number, we got the answer 4540. 45 minus 5 is 40, so number is become 4540. Again, we subtract the 5 from this number, we get the answer 4535. Means what? In this given pattern, we have subtracted 5 from the previous number. In this way, we can find out the patterns. So we will move to our exercise 1.3. So first question is, complete the following table. In this table, predecessor, number, successor column is given. So we have to fill this column. So first is 3254 blank 3256. On this blank, we have to find which number will come. So let's see, 3254, after that, and 3256, before that, which number will come? After this and before this, after 54 and before 56, so which number will come? 3254 after 55, so we will write here 55. Check it once, 3254, 3255 and 3256. Predecessor means what? The number which comes before the given number, and the number which comes after the given number is the successor. In this way, we can fill this table. Next is 2180. Predecessor is given 2180. Next number is 2181. Then what will be the successor? Successor means what? After number. Successor means after. So which number will come after 2181? That 2182. So in this way, we can find out the predecessor and successor. Next is third example, 2347. Now 47 is the number, 2347. So what will be the predecessor? Predecessor before number. So before 47, which number will come? 46. So what will be the number? 2346. And what will be the successor? 2348. Why 48? Because after 47, 48 will be there. So the successor is become 2348. Next sum is what? Now two blanks are given and you have to find what? you have given successor 4254. Now you have to find before this number 4254, which is the before from this number. You have to write it over here, and before that number some number is there, so you have to also find out that number and you have to write it over here. So these two sums you try to solve it. In the next example, the question is, in the circle number, the predecessor or the successor of the number, write the correct word in the blanks. So number is given and that number has some circle. So which is that number? Is it predecessor or it successor? That you have to write. So in this first 7293 and 7294, and the first number is circle. So if the first number is circle, which is that number, predecessor or successor? Predecessor, because 93 comes before 94, so first number is become predecessor. Now next, second is 1111, 1112. So second number is circled, so what will be that number, predecessor or successor? Successor. So you will write over here successor. In the same way this example is given, so you have to find which is that number, predecessor or successor. Question number 3, complete the table. Now you have to complete this table. 1001, 1002, blank, 1004. What will be that number after 1001, 1002, then and after that 1004? What will be this number? 1003, and after that 1004 is there. Next 1005, what will be there? 1006, then 1007, then 1008, then 1009, then 1010, then 1011, then 1012. Like this you have to complete this table. Okay. 4. Question number 4 is find the missing numbers. Now you have to find the missing number. So first question is 2432, then 2434, then 2436. Now you can observe over here that 2 number gap is there. So see here, 32, after 32 which number should be there? 35, but it is missing over here. Which number will be there? Now question number 4, find the missing numbers. So in this first example is 2432, then 2434, then 2436, blank, blank. Now we have to fill this blank. So check the numbers, observe it. 2432, which number should be there after it? This number 33, but 33 is not there. Which number is there? 34. So one number is missing. 32, 33 is not there, 34 is there. After 34 which number should be there? 35, but it is not there. 36 is there. So one number is again missing. So in this way we have to fill the pattern. So if we have to find the next number 36, after 36 which number should be there? 37, but the pattern is one number is missing, so 37 will not come. So which will be the number after 37? 38. So what will be that number? 2438, right? So 38. After 38 which number should be there? 39, but one number is missing, so we will not take that number. So after 39 which number should be there? 40. So next number will be 2440. Check it once. 2432, 35 is not there, 33 is not there, 34 is there. 2434, 35 is missing, 36 is there. 2436, 37 should be there, but we have to miss that one. So we have taken 38, 2438, and instead of taking 2439 as one is missing, so we have taken here 2440. Next is what? 8129. 29. Next, 8126. Blank, 8120. And then again blank, 8114. So in this two blank we have to fill the number. So 8129 and 8126, the number is going back. So 29, then 26. How many numbers they left? Before 29, which number will be there? Which number is there? 29 before 28. Then 27. Two number they left. And what they taken here? 26. Two numbers are missing. So they are going back. So we will also go back. 26. Which number before 26 is there? 25. Then 24. As they miss the two numbers, we will also miss the two numbers. So we will miss the 25 and 24. So next is 23. So 8123. So again move back. 23, then 8120. So how many numbers they left back? 23 before, 22, then 21. Two numbers they left again, and 20 is there. Again we have to again left two numbers. So before 20, 19 and 18. Two numbers again we will left, and which will be there? 8120, 19, 18. So which will be there? 17. Again once check once. Before 17, which number be there? Which number is there? 16 and 15. Two number again left, which will be that number? 8114. So we got the correct pattern. Next, C. Blank, blank, 3475, 3480, blank, blank. So in these two numbers, what is the gap we can see over here? 75 and 80. What number gap is there? 5. So 5 number gap is there. So after 80, which number will come? After 80, if we add 5, then 3485. Then 3480, 90. After 85, which number should be there? 3490. So in this way we have completed this gap. But what will be here? Before 75, which number should be there? 3470. And before 70, which number should be there? 3465. In this way we can observe the pattern and fill the correct numbers. In this way we can solve this kind of sum.